Guys, I started searching for a good point and shoot camera that I could get under 10,000 rupees. So among them, I found Nikon Coolpix, Canon Nixus 185, Sony DSC W800 and 810, and finally I found this Sony DSC W830. So let's get started with the unboxing. Guys, here is the package. It has been nicely wrapped. So this is how the box looks from the outside. You get a specs 20.1 megapixel, 8x optical zoom, 25mm wide angle lens, and it's capable of recording 720p HD movie. So now let's take out the box contents. So this is the camera, guys. That has been nicely placed. Let's keep it aside. And you also get a memory card in the box. Guys, it is a Sony 16GB original memory card. Now let's see what other contents are in the box. Let's take them outside. So this is the camera pouch that you get from Sony. Now let's take it outside. Yeah, it's of very great quality. This is the user manual and some warranty information. Let's keep it aside. This is a camera tag. This is the cable for charging and data transfer. And you get a power adapter. It's of 230 volt AC input and 5 volt 0.5 amp DC output. Guys, we also get a battery in the box. Even it's also from Sony. It's of 600 mAh battery and it gives up to 100 minutes of backup. Okay guys, now let's move on to the camera. So this is the camera. Look at the design. It's of black textured body with glossy finish. The silver and black combination gives it a very premium look. And due to its compatible design, even it's very easy to hold in your single hand. Now let's insert the battery and SD card and let's check out how it works. So this is the camera and now let's power it up. So guys, this is the power button. Let's switch it on. You have to hold it for 2 to 3 seconds. Yeah, it's powered up. So now have a look on the navigation buttons that you get on this. This is the zoom in and zoom out.
see. And this button is for mode selection. They have mentioned this is camera mode, this is 360-degree panorama, and this for movie mode. And this button is for accessing the media. So now there are no any files on this device. This button is for display settings, whether you need a info on the screen or not, you can set here. And this is for flashlight settings. This button is for smile detection, and this is for timer settings. And this is a menu button. You can access any required choices. And finally, this is for deleting. In the bottom there is a tripod mount. This is port for charging and data transfer, and this compartment is for battery and SD card, and you get a speaker over here. And there is a branding Cybershot. This is the flashlight, and this is the sensor. So guys, if you are interested with the product, then there is a link provided in the description. You can go and just check out. So if you like the video, then hit on the like button and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.